Hello everyone. Now I would like to show a systematic English grammar. While watching this video, please concentrate.
Questions and answers. In the previous lesson, you learned how to ask questions. Now, learn how to answer them. Read the questions and the answers given to them aloud. Why not play a game? Ask your partner to read the questions and you read the answers. Is he well? Yes, he is well. No, he is not well. Are you late? Yes, I am late. No, I am not late. Were you there? Yes, I was there. No, I was not there. Does your brother live here? Yes, he does. No, he does not. Don't you feel tired? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Will you lend me your book? Yes, I will. No, I won't. Has Mohan passed? Yes, he has. No, he hasn't. What have you learnt now? You have learned to give yes and no answers. You have also learned how to answer in a short form. Does, doesn't, has, hasn't, will, won't, was, wasn't. Doesn't means does not, wasn't means was not, hasn't means has not, and won't means will not. You will learn more about short forms in the next class. In short form, we remove one letter. In doesn't, wasn't, hasn't, we have removed the letter O and put an apostrophe.
Match questions and answers given in column A and B. Column A, column B. Is he obedient? Yes, he is. No, he is not. Are you regular? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Have you eaten? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Do you eat curd? Yes, I do. Not, I don't. Did you granny live in Meerut? I am talking to my friend. Sorry. Yes, she did not. She did not. Whom are you talking to? I'm talking to my friend. Is she your sister? Yes, she is. No, she is not. Do you know me? Yes, I do. No, I do not. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share it to your friends.